Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your account on the Rocket Money app because you no longer want to use it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Profile. And then from here, you're going to see out blurred out information. But if you scroll all the way down, you'll now see that there's a button that says Delete My Account. So go ahead and click on delete your account, but keep in mind that it is not irreversible. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your account on the Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.